Why am I in this jacuzzi with my clothes on, you might ask? Because I was so ecstatic to show you my brand new listing that I guess I forgot. When you live in this neighborhood, you want an amazing home. And I've got the one just for you. I'm Jeremiah with the Agent for the People team. Come on in. This home is warm, inviting, and open. And this is the heart of the home, where memories are made. With the patio and the hot tub, your summers are gonna be fun. And happy hours would never be the same. Port Potomac has top-of-the-line amenities. And there's so much shopping, dining, and recreation nearby. Now you see why I was so excited. So schedule your showing today before it's too late.